Today I'm going to go over how to change windshield wiper blades on a Volkswagen Passat. This is applicable from this generation starting in 2012 up to current models as well. One of the things I'm going to go over is how to put the windshield wipers into service mode. The tools you will need: one set of wiper blades with the right connector on them. These are for Volkswagen. I'll put a link in the description, the Passat specifically, because one side, the driver's side, is longer than the passenger side. Then I've got this for protection as I'm lifting the blade. First time you're doing it, you might just want to put something under there so if the wiper blade falls and hits the windshield, you don't get a cracked windshield. Then I'm going to wipe everything down before I get started. So let's jump into it. First thing is, I don't want fresh rubber blades going onto dirt, so I'm just going to clean the windshield off real quick. Just right where it sits, and kind of just get some of this all off. All right, now that that's all cleaned off, we're going to go over how to put this in service mode. So I'm going to turn the car completely on. Then I'm going to turn the car off and hold this down. And that puts us into service mode. Then when you get back in, you turn the car on and just turn the wiper blades on and they'll go down. Now I've got my little safety blanket on here. If this flops down, especially first time doing it, you know, it's just a little bit of peace of mind. If it flops down with the blade on, we're fine, but this is metal right here. So what I'm going to do here is push this down with my thumb, that button right there. Let's zoom in so you can see. There's a button right here. This gets pushed in. It's a good firm push, and that pops out. So that slid out. There's our button. Now on some windshield wipers, they'll have like 3 different styles of connectors. The reason I got these is they have this style on them ready to go. You don't have to swap anything out or figure it out. And we're going to start with the longer one. This is for the driver's side. And we'll pop it out of the plastic. And then there is a little protector here that slides off. And we are ready to install. And then there's our connector right to our blade. So our new wiper blade, this is the orientation. There's the button, goes on to here like so. And the pressure of this kind of fights you a little bit, so you have to like push in just to get it started. There we go. So I'm pushing in this way and pushing down, and it just pops into place. And now that button, you'll see the button here is popped into place. This guy is secure and we're good to go. Now we can move on to the next one. So I'll move my safety blanket there, plop that down, and we'll grab this guy. And this is the same process with this. Take this protective sleeve off. Our blade's ready to install. Then we're gonna grab our button. I'm pulling up while I'm pushing the button here. And it's a firm fit. It's not super easy. And then when you're putting this on, you kind of have to fight that button a little bit as it starts to slide in. And so I'm gonna push down and it clicks into place. And we're ready to go. And I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. So there. Let's zoom in. These buttons should be sitting in their little spot here, and this should be all the way in on both of them. Let's take a close up there. Yep. So those are both on all the way. You can also give a yank. Make sure they're not going to fly off. I have had a windshield wiper break and fly off, and the metal scraped across the windshield. So don't do that. Make sure they're in all the way. That was actually not my fault, but make sure they're in and secure, and that's how you do it. Then you go in, start the car, hit the wiper button, and they'll go back down to normal. If this is helpful, thanks, and we'll see you next time.